take off the foo-foo, take off the cloud chase, take off the Wi-Fi, take off the money phone, take off the car loan, take off the flex and the white loss, take off the weird ass jewelry. I'ma take 3 steps, then I'm taking off top 5. Take off the fabricate streams and the microwave memes. It's a real world outside. Take off your idols, take off the runway, take off the Cairo.
Hey loves, it's your girl Superior B. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you are not. As you can tell from the title, today we're going to be doing a car tour because your girl did upgrade. So, let's get into it. So this is Millie, guys. If you know me and you follow on my Instagram, you know previous to this car I did have a Jeep Renegade, so this is a huge upgrade. She's a 2023 Dodge Charger RT Black Top Edition, which is why I like the emblems in the front and the side of the car. All that stuff is already blacked out. She is big. Get it to it. So I already gave y'all a little walk around to see the outside. This is the inside. As you can see, I did get a cow print steering wheel because I didn't want the glitter stuff like how all the girls be already having. I had that in my last car. See, from the start button, I got my little glitter button on it. That came from my last car. And you know, you already know all the keys and all this stuff. If you don't, you don't, because I don't know either. What? Child. Anyway, so here's the little window controls, the lock, unlock, and for the side mirrors. In my car, I do go around. I do not leave my house without my mace, without my little stay away kit. Period. As you can see, my gear shift, I got little blue hair ties that go around it because it matched the color that I'm going for on my car. But do y'all want to hear a cold start on this thing? Do you want to hear a cold start on this thing? Now, she ain't loud like all these other ones just yet. Oh. She big, she bad. So when you turn it on, there is my I can't think of the name right now, but you know what it is. That thing's sexy. It's lit up. This is my screen. It is touch screen, so got all of these nice little features. You connect and stuff. That thing got navigation. I know they lying. I didn't even know I had navigation. Okay, either way, when my phone is plugged in, I have CarPlay. I wish they did have CarPlay with like not having to be plugged in, but you know, it is what it is. Still good. These are my controls, my sports super track pack, traction, all of that stuff. And then this is like my AC, heat and stuff. Then, you know, my glove compartment, I keep all my essentials in here, like my baby wipes and stuff. This is a stripe that I will be putting on my car soon. Right now, just not really pressed about it, but it's also turquoise like the rest of my details. So yeah, that's that. As you can see, the little seats are a little basic or whatever. We're gonna get something to put on these seats though, because Scat Pack, they got the little sign right here, and she might be an RT, but she could still have a little something, you know, a little something. And then this is my little armrest. I don't keep too much in here right now, just car spray, my cables, like some sunglasses, Instacart stuff, all my little essential things. This is just my pack for my microphone. Cup holders, real cute. I did pull these out of my last car. I mean, I bought them. It was no reason to just give them away with the car. Might as well keep them. This is the back seat, sweetheart. It is pretty spacious back there. At the moment, I have my wicker bill back there that I'm about to install probably today. But it is pretty spacious back there. Like, I thought it was gonna be a pretty tight fit, but it's a lot of space. Let's get back there real quick. Like I said, coming in the back, it is pretty spacious. Back here, you do have the USB ports for like people I have in the back that's always asking to charge their phones. I have these little hooks on my seats that did come out of my last car. Like I said, I wasn't going for the little shiny diamond theme, but since it was already in my car, I might as well have took them with me. Why throw them away when I paid for them? You feel me? Then coming out of the car, of course, I had to be corny and put my Instagram on it. Y'all go check that out. Obviously, if you want to see my journey, see Superior B. Then on the wheels right now, I have my turquoise spikes that I got those from Amazon because they did not have that color spikes like in anything. I could not find them. And then around the tires, I did go ahead and like color them in with tire marker. It was white. They're brown right now, which is kind of crazy, but I could go over them again. I just wanted to do it just to see what they look like without getting stickers, but in the near future, I'm probably gonna get stickers. As you can see, I do have my side markers in the back tinted out, which I also got those from Amazon. The ones in the front aren't tinted out, they were, but the sticker was coming off, so I'm gonna redo those. When you come in the back, like I said, it got the black emblems already. My friend did tint out my tail lights for me, so that's cute. Like I said, today I probably will be installing my wicker bill, and then I have a diffuser coming in later. And then of course at the top, if you know me personally, you know anytime somebody says something to me, I say suck my gap. So I had to get suck a gap on the back of my car, which is actually pretty cool because I did not know that gapping was like a car reference. I just learned. So hey, it go both ways, you feel me? Then like I said, all around I got my spikes, got my Instagram, and all of that good stuff. So earlier I didn't really show what was on the hood. This is for anybody who wants to see. Like I said, it's brand new, still factory stock, so I don't really have anything in here yet. But there goes the last call sticker, emblem, thingamabob. Yeah. And this is everything. The engine, the cover, everything just still stocked up. I do have plans for it though. I will be getting a cold air intake and an oil catch can pretty soon. The rest, you know, I make my mind up as the time goes, but as of right now, this is all that she is giving. But you see that 5.7, that little hemi, that little him. Y'all just wait till this thing's supercharged, man. So like I said, this was my car's tour. I don't have too many decorations or too many like interior, exterior things going on right now, but there will be a lot coming in the near future. Like I said, she's not that loud, so I probably will be looking into doing like a mid muffler delete or something, very much something. A lot of mods will be coming, and if y'all have ideas, then like let me know. But I do have a lot of mods coming up. I will be doing a little bit more decorations. Like I said, I will be adding on that stripe to the front, which I feel like is gonna be temporary because in the near future I'm gonna wrap my entire car probably turquoise. We don't know yet, we're gonna see. But this is all that I've done to her so far. it's about to be a journey. It's about to be a journey. Definitely been doing a lot of stuff lately. I've only had my car for not even a whole month yet, so I haven't really done too much, but already I'm going to car meets and stuff just to go look at the other cars and see what ideas I do want to add on to mine. I just learned how to burn out, you guys. I felt like a bad bitch, okay? I just learned how to burn out. It's not the best, but I'm trying, and it looks really cute in the video, which I'm gonna attach. So I'm about to have fun with this car, okay? I'm about to have fun with this car. This was not originally my dream car. My dream car was a Mustang. If you know me personally. But this has become my dream car, and I got it. I just love this car so much. I've never loved a car as much as I love this car, and it's just like, it's just fun. Like, it's a really fun car to have. So I'm really excited for what I'm gonna do with it in the future, and I hope y'all are excited to join this journey with me. So like I said, if you liked the video and you want to join my journey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because a lot is coming up.